In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove current position in LinkedIn. If you want to take a current job off your LinkedIn profile, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can update your profile with confidence. First, go to your LinkedIn profile. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, then open your personal profile page where your public information, headline, and work history are displayed. This is where all profile edits begin, so once you're here, you're in the right place. Next, scroll down until you reach the experience section. This area contains your work history, including both past and current roles. If your profile has several sections, you may need to scroll a bit to find it. Take your time here and make sure you're looking at the correct part of your profile before making any changes. Once you're in the experience section, click the pencil icon. This edit icon lets you manage the information in that section. After selecting it, LinkedIn will open the editing view for your experience details, where you can make changes to individual positions. From there, find the current position you want to remove and click the pencil icon again next to that specific role. This opens the detailed edit screen for that job entry. Be careful to select the correct position, especially if you have multiple roles listed with similar titles or company names. Opening the exact entry ensures you remove only the position you no longer want shown as current. When the edit window opens, click on Delete. This will remove that current position from your LinkedIn experience section. Depending on LinkedIn's interface, you may be asked to confirm the deletion, so if a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and approve it to complete the action. And that's it. Once deleted, the position will no longer appear on your profile as part of your experience. This is helpful if you've changed jobs, want to clean up outdated information, or simply need to keep your profile accurate and up to date. As a final reminder, review your profile after removing the position to make sure everything looks the way you want. Keeping your LinkedIn profile current can make a big difference in how you appear to recruiters, clients, or professional connections. Thanks for watching, and that's how to remove a current position in LinkedIn.